morning everyone, hope you're well. Welcome back to my Greek kitchen. It's a beautiful Sunday morning today and we're going to be making a Greek cake. We're going to be making cake ΑΜΥΓΔΑΛΟΥ, almond cake. The ingredients are very simple and I'm sure you will really enjoy it. Let's have a look at what we need. For the cake we will need 150 ml of light olive oil or corn oil. I'm using corn oil here. We will need 120 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice, 175 grams of caster sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 5 eggs, 175 grams of plain flour, 175 grams of ground almonds, the star of the show, some vanilla extract, a pinch of salt just to elevate the flavor, and a cake tin, a spring-form tin like this, which Ian has buttered and lined with grease-proof paper. First things first, oil in my bowl with the eggs and the oranges. So all the liquid together, and I'm gonna give this a really good mix until everything has been combined. While I'm whisking, I had a little break to put the oven on at 180 degree centigrade, so it starts preheating. So you will need to whisk about 5 minutes until everything has been well incorporated. Ready. It's lovely and frothy. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I have to tell you, you can, if you've got it, I don't have it at the moment, you can add almond extract if you like. But if you don't have it at home, vanilla extract is lovely. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add, the sugar, and we're gonna give this a little whisk so the sugar combines with the wet ingredients. Just like this. It's a lovely cake because you can use a whisk like this and just one bowl, and you can make a really nice, lovely cake, perfect with a cup of tea or a Greek coffee or any coffee. So flour goes in and the almonds, and I'm gonna put just a pinch of salt just to elevate a little bit of flavor. Not too much. And baking powder. And I'm gonna mix everything together. For this one, I'm gonna start with the whisk, and then I'm gonna use my trusted spatula. You see? Make sure that everything is well combined. I have to tell you, it smells so lovely with the vanilla and the orange and the almond. You can really smell it. So I've incorporated everything together, and this is how our mixture looks. It might feel quite runny and look quite runny, but it's gonna go in the oven for approximately 50 minutes or until, we use the skewer and we prick the cake, make sure it's ready. Now, my tin, and I'm gonna just add all of this into my tin. Delicious, it looks fantastic. Okay, and we don't like waste, so everything goes in. Just like this. And the oven has been preheating at 180 degrees centigrade, and the cake will go in, as I said, for approximately 50 minutes or until the cake is cooked. Here we are. So the cake had 50 minutes and it's lovely. It smells delicious, and I have let it to cool down completely. And I'm going to get a little bit of icing sugar. You don't have to do this, but I like a little bit of icing sugar on top. And I'm just gonna dust it all over the cake, just like this. And we're gonna cut a piece, see what it looks like. and what it tastes like. Looks lovely, doesn't it? I think that looks pretty good. I always do that. Eat too much and then I cannot talk. You have to try this cake, it's delicious. Greek almond cake, cake ΑΜΥΓΔΑΛΟΥ. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look after yourselves and I'll see you here next time for some more Greek cooking. Take care. Really nice.